In this video we can see that how we can get a different status code of Spring Boot to REST control responses. So currently this API returns status code 200. So in some requirements or some API we need to send, give this in response different status codes. So we can now see how we can change the status code in a Spring Boot applications. So by default is 200 return in success case. Now we can change here for different response entity, and now this result would be in different status. For that response entity, first parameter is our result, and second one is status, attribute status, and any status which is defined by the developer. So for the knowledge purpose I conflict the status code. I think it is a 409. For knowledge purpose I add here. Now we can see it is a give 409 in response or not. So minor changes add here, response entity, and its data type is type of the response, and default is not required response entity in success code. Default is considered 200, but here I change. Now see 409 conflict, but result is same. So we can modify, change any status code and Spring Boot application. So that's it. This way we can change here.